Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add your credit card to your Roblox account. First of all, open the browser on your phone and go to roblox.com, then log in with your username and password. Once the game loads completely, tap on the settings icon with the gear symbol in the top right corner of the screen. Then, select settings from the drop-down menu. After that, choose the payment methods option from the settings menu where your current payment methods are displayed. Now, tap on add to link a new credit card to your account. You will now be asked to enter your credit card details including the card number, expiration date and the CVV code found on the back of your card. After you have entered all the required information, tap on the save button. Once saved, your credit card will be linked to your Roblox account and you can use it for purchases like Robux or other in-game transactions. And that's it. Now you know how to add a credit card in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. And make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.